I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I build bodies that shut down rooms, baby.
381, 143 pounds. So it works. Come on, let's get it. I was 275 when I delivered my child. I am down 70 pounds. The moment I watched the video, I knew you was gonna be the person to change my life.
So if you tired of your pooch, get my Super Stomach Shredder membership at KenyaCrooksNetwork.com and get my other products too right now.
What's going on, good people? What's going on? Look, I'm about to give you your move of the day, but today's theme is this. Don't tell me about your mess. Tell me about your bless. In other words, in the comment section, put what you're thankful for. What are you grateful for? See, we always give our attention to the stuff that's bogging us down. We always concentrating and focusing on the things we don't have versus focusing and being thankful for the things that we do have. So in the comment section below, make sure you put why you blessed today. Why are you so blessed? Why are you so highly favored? Why do you feel good today? Because again, I want you to focus on the things that you have versus the things that you don't have, okay? So do that for me. Now, let me give you your move of the day. And also, too, make sure you get the Super Stomach Shredder membership because I'm going to help you lose, 20 to 40 pounds in the next 30 days. That's what I'm known for. That's what I do. So if you're trying to go poochless, I'm going to drop the link below in the comment section also, so you can click on the link to get the Super Stomach Shredder. I'm going to help you go poochless. I'm going to give you that high round booty, thick thighs, that save lives. And guess what? I'm going to help you shut down every room you step into because it's the Christian thing to do, baby. Now, let me give you the move. This is what I need. Get me 30 of these, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to lay back, and all you're going to do, boom, tap your booty here, and you're going to lift here, okay? Boom, so you tap it, and you're lifting again. We getting rid of the pooch, baby. We getting it gone. The thing you used to hate the most will be the thing you're most proud of. That stomach of yours. I'm trying to tell you. I'm gonna have you looking Janet Jackson, velvet rope sexy. That's the way love goes sexy. I'm just saying. So if you got me, if you agree to knock out this move, say I got you, coach. I look forward to coaching you. Love each and every single last one of you. Now let's go ahead and let's dominate. Love y'all. Knock out this move and let's go poochless.